Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share a powerful and ancient spell known as the Trinka 5 money spell. This spell is designed to attract financial abundance and prosperity into your life using the power of the number 5. Let's get started. For this spell, you'll need a few items: 3 green candles representing growth and wealth, a piece of paper and a pen to write your intention, a small bowl of coins to symbolize money, some cinnamon for added energy and attraction, and a lighter or matches to light the candles. First, take the piece of paper and write down the amount of money you need or your financial goal. Be specific and clear. For example, you can write, "I attract $500," or "financial stability and abundance." Next, place the 3 green candles in a triangular formation on the table. This shape helps focus the energy of the spell. Sprinkle a little cinnamon around the base of each candle to enhance the spell's potency. Light each candle, starting from the left and moving clockwise. As you light each one, focus on your financial goal and visualize it coming to fruition. See the money flowing into your life and feel the joy of achieving your financial desires. Now, take the piece of paper with your written intention and place it in the center of the triangle formed by the candles. Next, hold the bowl of coins in your hands and concentrate on your intention. Feel the energy of your goal infusing the coins. While holding the bowl of coins, repeat the following incantation 5 times. Trinka 5, Trinka 5, ancient spirits come alive. Money grow and money thrive. Spirits of prosperity arrive. After repeating the incantation, place the bowl of coins on top of the paper in the center of the candle triangle. Let the candles burn for at least 15 minutes as you focus on your intention and visualize your financial goal manifesting. When you're ready, you can extinguish the candles gently by snuffing them out, not blowing them out, to respect the energy of the spell. Finally, keep the paper and bowl of coins in a place where you'll see them often to remind you of the energy you've set into motion. You can refresh the spell as needed by repeating the process. And that's it. With belief and positive energy, the Trinka 5 money spell will help attract financial abundance into your life. Remember to stay open to opportunities and take practical steps towards your goals as well. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more magical tutorials. Blessed be, and may abundance flow to you.